Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you recover WhatsApp media files. To recover deleted WhatsApp media files, you can use several methods depending on your device types and whether you have a backup. So what you need to do is Android device often save WhatsApp media locally, even if you delete them from the chat interface. So you can simply Photos app on your device, then you just want to make sure to go ahead and locate that out, and you could simply go ahead and select the collections tab, go to on this device and look for WhatsApp images. There you go, these are the WhatsApp images that I have, and this way you should also be able to locate it. Next, you also can go ahead and locate file manager on your device or files. There you have downloads, so you could go to download section and select downloads, and there you could also find it out. You could also look for any sort of videos, audio, and all that. So this is basically where you should be able to locate. And this should be able to restore. Next, what you could also do is if you have backup enable, you could simply go ahead and tap onto the three dot at the very top settings and go to chats and make sure to chat backup. And once you've enabled this backup, you could go ahead and look for the data transfer options in the Google Drive. Then that should also be able to help you out. So this way you'll be able to recover WhatsApp media files. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.